Hello everyone, Jim here from Storm Warning News with news breaking this morning, July 1st, 2023 in China. A massive explosion at a chemical plant in Jiangxi. Many feared dead. This is the fourth blast within 10 days. Stand by for details. In yet another incident of the blast, a powerful explosion occurred in one of the chemical plants in China's Jiangxi province, Nexta has reported. Although there were no official confirmations about the fatalities, media reports cited emergency services and asserted many people were feared dead in the tragic incident. Notably, this was the fourth explosion within 10 days. Earlier last month, at least 31 people were killed following ripped through a restaurant in the northwestern Chinese city of Jiangxi. Now, this is a translation from India TV, my friends. Anyway, let's have a look at some video. Now, this video is courtesy of Nexta on Twitter, and let's have a look. Wow. There's a huge amount of smoke. We have a closer view here. Look at the flames and the smoke. That is startling. As of right now, at 3:15 a.m. Eastern Time, there is no reported cause or estimation of the cause of this huge explosion. Certainly a situation to continue to watch. This is Jim signing off. Until the next time, God bless you.